Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty easy origami frying pan. And check it out. It looks really nice and I like it. It's pretty easy to fold. And alright, here goes. So I'm going to use a 6-inch square, so let's begin white side up and fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, unfold and fold your crease. So yeah, I'm using 6-inch kami, but you can probably use any size square for this. Okay, and now fold in half, the short way. Okay, and now fold to your crease, but just make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. Okay, and now turn over. And now lift this crease up and fold it to your crease marks. Alright, and then turn over and make that fold sharp. And be careful so you don't tear the paper right there in the middle. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, this is probably the hardest step, I think. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge to the middle. And as we can see, we can't really flatten it right now because this edge runs along with it. So we're going to fold this edge to the middle like this and make sure the edges align right here too. And we're going to squash this down. So as we're doing it, we're making a squash fold also. So squash it so that this crease right here aligns with this edge. Alright, keep that nice and sharp. And repeat on this side. So fold this edge to here, like this, and make the edges align here. And squash right here. Make the crease align with the edge. Okay, so this is going to become the handle of the frying pan. Okay, so now let's shape the handle a little bit so it looks better. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up, and we're folding on this point. And we want this point to touch the middle line, like this. Okay? And crease that sharp. Alright, and repeat on this side. And on this side it's easier, just fold this point to that point. Okay, like that. And now make a mountain fold, turn over and make a mountain fold that aligns with this edge. Like that. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up, and this is to taste. So if this is going to determine the depth of the frying pan. So if you want the frying pan to be deeper, fold it up more. So you might end up with a deeper one, but it'll probably be smaller though, the more deeper you make it. So if you fold it up less, it'll probably be larger, but it won't be as deep. So I say just fold it up maybe about like this. So this is a good amount. But remember, it's to taste. You might want a small one if you want. And crease that sharp. Alright, unfold. And now take this edge and fold it to the crease. So we're making a paper airplane fold. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see it. Like that. And unfold and repeat on the side. Fold this edge to the crease. Alright, unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge up, and we're going to fold it the same is this, and there is a guide mark. So fold it up on this point right here. So where this crease hits the edge. Alright, make sure the edges on the sides align also. And keep that sharp. Alright, unfold that. And repeat on this side, so fold this edge up on that point. Okay, and unfold, and now take this edge and fold it to the crease. Alright, and repeat on the side. Fold this edge to the crease. Okay, unfold that, and now take this and fold it up right in between these 2 points. And we're folding on all layers, even on this flap too. And if this flap kind of swings out, just put it back under. So yeah, don't let it swing out. Keep it under as much as possible. Alright, and crease sharply. It's kind of thick there, but just crease it as sharp as you can. Okay, and now the final part, which is not that hard, we're gonna form the box. So this is just like a simple box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in, and we're gonna bring these 2 small creases together. See, just like this. So bring them together like that, and then look inside and fold this flap down. And it should be pretty easy because we're doing it on an existing crease, like that. So just fold it on the crease like that. Alright, and do the same thing right here, here, and here. And here we go. I won't fast forward this time, I'll go at normal speed, so you guys can follow it. So bring the creases together like that, and then fold that flap in. Just like that. And then right here. And same here. Okay, and then now fold the handle back like that, so it looks better. And here it is. Here is our frying pan. So yeah, I just designed it, and it looks really nice. I like it. So yeah, and here's the rough draft I did. See, this is my first attempt right here, and yeah, and it came out perfect. So alright, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.